Welcome back to Astronomy August. Today, we're going to be talking about solar eclipses. Most of you have probably heard of a solar eclipse before and probably have seen one. Well, not directly as it can make you go blind, but you've probably seen one through those cereal box things. Anyway, a solar eclipse happens when the moon, in its orbit, moves in front of the sun. From Earth, it appears that the moon is covering up the sun. This happens because the moon's orbit allows it to every so often. There are also different types of solar eclipses. In a partial eclipse, we can still see part of the sun, even if the moon is covering 90% of the sun. As we saw in NYC back in April of 2024, it is still not considered a total eclipse because in a total solar eclipse, you can see the sun's corona or outer atmosphere, which is responsible for things like solar wind. That is also why you can't look at a partial eclipse directly. In a partial eclipse, some of the sun is left uncovered and looking at it can cause blindness, but the sun is entirely covered, minus the corona, during a total eclipse, allowing you to look at it directly. But how can something so small cover up the sun? I mean, the sun is huge. While the moon is 400 times smaller than the sun, it is also 400 times closer to us, so they appear to be the same size in our sky. We know the moon is moving further and further away from us year by year, so in the past, if the moon was closer to Earth, it would have entirely blocked the sun, so we wouldn't be able to see the sun's corona during an eclipse millions of years ago. Also, the moon is moving further away from Earth, so millions of years from now, the moon wouldn't cover the entire sun, so we live in a very specific time where total solar eclipses are possible. In the future, they won't be.